First, to achieve this zombie look, I'm starting with liquid latex and applying it in thick layers with a sponge. Next, I'm taking medium cuts and using spirit gum adhesive. To create lifelike cuts in the skin, I'm taking sharper tools in my fingers and carefully pulling at the liquid latex. Then apply your shade of foundation to blend the latex. Taking the Halloween makeup palette, I'm using the black to define the look of the zombie and add shadows to the cuts. Next, taking a gray grease, I'm using this around the eyes and black cream to create shadows. Then using a white cream, I'm highlighting the middle points of my face and neck. Going back in with the black, I'm sculpting out the zombie's facial structure further. Underneath the eyes, I'm adding some yellow cream from the palette to give a bruised, sunk-in look. Then taking the gel blood, I'm filling in the liquid latex wounds. To create a splattered blood effect, I'm taking a stippling sponge and tapping it all over the wounds. Now your zombie look is complete.